Hello there, crafty friends. Welcome back to Bliss Degree. Are you a crochet enthusiast but dread the thought of sewing pieces together? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into 50 amazing no-sew crochet amigurumi patterns that are perfect for you. Let's get started. For those new to amigurumi, it's the Japanese art of crocheting small stuffed animals or characters. They're adorable, fun to make, and best of all, with these patterns, you can skip the sewing. Let's check out some fantastic projects you can create. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. And there you have it. 50 free no-sew crochet amigurumi patterns to try if you hate sewing. Don't forget to check the links in the description for all the patterns mentioned today. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found some inspiring no-sew crochet amigurumi patterns to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments below. Happy crocheting, and see you next time. Thank you.